Hello, Namaste, Namaskara. Welcome to my channel Stock Market Teacher. Your trading capital is your lifeline. Your trading capital, without it, you're handicapped. And today was one of the days where you would have seen such a huge volatility in the market because it was a budget day. In my yesterday's video, I had clearly mentioned that try to protect your capital by not trading or not taking any position because markets will be open tomorrow, day after, and many years to come. Today was such a day wherein we had a budget presented. Markets were volatile, markets made a huge rally, then a huge crash. This would have wiped out many of the accounts of the new participants in the markets. But if you had watched my video yesterday, you would have saved yourself by not trading, by at least protecting capital and where not to take the trades, whether it's a long trade or a short trade. I had mentioned in the video yesterday that I would be trading in the second half, but I did not take any positions because no position is also a kind of a position because there were no opportunities presented to me wherein there was a better risk to reward or a better opportunity for me to take a position in the markets. Right now, I would not be discussing how the markets went in today's session. You can go watch the my yesterday's video and see the levels that we had marked, how well the market moved in the respect to those levels, how the resistances once broken acted as supports, okay, and the support and the resistance zones which we had discussed yesterday, how those levels and the price action was acting today. All right, because I would like to straight go on to analyze the today's market session, okay, which are the levels that we need to watch out for tomorrow's session. All right, and we need to be very mindful that we need to protect our capital. We need to do a right position sizing, we need to place a stop loss, and we need to do good money management. All right, let's now begin our analysis starting with Nifty. Okay, as you know that first I would like to mark the day's high and the day's low. So I will mark this day's high. This is your day's high here, and this is your day's low. This is the market movement today. If you see the market movement today, it was so volatile. The market went up, it opened a huge gap up. Okay, it opened a huge gap up, the market went up. Okay, and this level acted as support because which was previous day high, it was broken, and the resistance is once broken, they tend to act as support levels, and it beautifully acted as support level. Everything was discussed. Please go and watch yesterday's video. All right, and market moved higher and it came crashing down and it found this particular support, which was again discussed in yesterday's video, that is a strong support zone, and the market respected that particular level. The price moved higher from that particular level. So this is your day's high and this is your day's low. I will mark this in dotted line. I will make it a bit thicker and I will mark it as a blue line. So this is your day's high and this is your day's low. Next, I would like to identify where the market could find a supply or a demand zone. So there's nothing but the resistance levels and the support level. Now starting with this, now if you see this level was marked as a support resistance level in because this is where the price moved down from. Now this is around this level only. You see there is a resistance here. Okay, this would be your resistance level here. Okay, this would be your resistance level around this level. Okay, which was also in sync with this particular support of 25th Jan, which was broken down on 27 Jan, because support once broken, they tend to act as the resistance level. So this is your resistance zone here. Okay, this is a resistance zone here. I'll extend it towards the right of it. Okay, this is one zone here wherein the market, if it comes to this level, might act as a resistance level. Now this was the previous day high. It was broken in today's session. It acted as a support level. The market moved higher. Okay, it broke that particular resistance level. Okay, so this particular level is another important level for us. Now you see here, this level is another important level for us. Okay, this might act as another resistance level here for us. Okay, in tomorrow's session, if the price comes around to this level, or it could even act as a support level, because once it's broken it tends to act as a support level. So this is your another zone here to watch out for. These were all your resistance level, the supply levels. Okay, this level acted as a support level in today's session, but in today's session itself this support was broken and it faced resistance here and the price went down. The next level you could see here is, this was marked in one of the sessions. If you go back and watch the videos, you will be able to identify this was marked as one of the resistance level here. Okay, so this was broken, it acted as a support. Okay, yesterday this was broken, this resistance level was broken and it acted as support. So this is again trying to act as a resistance level. So this is another supply zone which could bring the market down here, the price Nifty down to this particular level. And this was discussed as a strong support zone. Okay, the strong support zone of 38 Jan, and it acted as a strong support level here. Okay, this acted as strong support level in today's session. So these are the levels to watch out for. So what are these levels? Once again I will go through. This level is a day's high 17,980 to 18,000 level, could act as a strong resistance going forward. Okay, and your day's low is 17,350 to 17,360, and just above that is your strong support level, which would be around 17,400 to 17,430 levels. Okay, so this is your strong support level. If the price opens a gap down tomorrow, and if there is any kind of buying, it will be it can be seen through the price action or through candlestick, and there could be a buying opportunity around this level to go long. Okay, and if the market opens a gap up around this particular level, this could act as a resistance level. So you need to wait and watch out, because we are not supposed to jump into the trade. So what these levels do for you is they help and assist you where not to take a long position, where not to take a short position. So if the market opens a gap up around this level, okay, say for example the market opens a huge gap up again for any particular news or anything of that sort, we are not supposed to take a long position. Okay, gap up doesn't mean bullish immediately. You need to wait and watch out how the price is revolving around this level. Are you seeing any kind of buying? Is that level breaking? So you need to wait and watch out and wait for the signal, for the market to give you the signal, and then take a trade accordingly. So these are the levels that you need to watch out for. All right, now moving on from Nifty to Bank Nifty. Again, we discussed the Bank Nifty levels in yesterday's videos, and it was beautifully moving across, okay, along the lines of the levels that we discussed. The resistances broke, and those resistances once broken acted as support. So all that can be seen in markets, okay, respecting this huge a strong support zone. Okay, so doing the Bank Nifty analysis where it could find the resistance or the support levels, first I'll mark the, okay, this is your today's low, okay, highlighted in blue, and this level I'm marking it as a day's high. That's the high on the market reached that particular level. Okay, so that's your day's high. Let's identify where are your supply zones or where are your demand zones. So this is your strong support zone, okay, which is, okay, coinciding with your day's low. This is your strong support zone, which acted as a strong support zone. We had highlighted this in yesterday's video, and we discussed this, why this is a strong support zone. Please go and watch the video. And we moved higher from this level. This level was acting as a strong resistance zone. Okay, this level was acting as a strong resistance zone. Okay, so now again the price is trading below this level, so this resistance zone, this might again act as a strong resistance zone, because in today's session this resistance was broken and it acted as a support level. The price moved higher, okay, and in today's session itself this support zone was broken, and we could see resistance in tomorrow's session for this particular level. So this is another level, okay, that you need to watch out for. This was discussed in one of the videos, why this is a resistance level and why it is now acting as support level. So you can see here, this is your now this could act as a support level because this resistance was broken. The price is now trading above this particular level. So if the price comes down to this level, this might act as a support level, and you could see some kind of buying coming in, pushing the prices higher to this resistance level. So these are the levels that you need to watch out for. And here we had discussed this particular level. Okay, why this is a strong resistance zone? Because you see here, this acted as a support on 25th January, and on 27th January this support was broken. So we expect this to be a strong resistance zone, and it acted as a strong resistance in today's session. For time being, that level was broken. Okay, that level was broken. The price went up, but it did not sustain. In another in half an hour's time, the support broke and the price came crashing down. So these are the levels you need to watch out for. If the price opens a gap down tomorrow, and if you see any kind of buying, that could be a long opportunity. If the price opens a gap up, if there is any kind of sell signal that you look out for in terms of candlestick or any other order flow that you look out for, that could be a shorting opportunity. So these levels, okay, are not the levels for you to take a long or short position. Wait for the price action to see how the price is reacting. If this resistance zone is broken, the price goes up, the price might come down to this level, then it could act as a support level. Okay, so these are the levels that you need to watch out for in tomorrow's session, the Bank Nifty session. Okay, and see how the price action behaves. All right guys, if you like this video, if you have enjoyed this video and you have learned about the levels, and these videos and this video and the previous video and yesterday's video especially, we had mentioned specifically about the volatility. If this has helped you in any way, okay, please do leave a comment, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel, okay, hit on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified immediately, and share it with your friends and family. As much as we share, we learn a lot. So share the knowledge with others as well. Look forward for you in the next video. Thank you.